Okay, so here's my review of the Ubereats exclusive restaurant, Cosmic Wings, which is basically just Applebee's. I think the Applebee's Corporation decided, hey, it's a pandemic and people are ordering a lot of food, so we're just gonna have our offshoot that just delivers via Uber Eats. I don't know the business behind it, but I'm sure it makes sense. And their big claim to fame is Cheetos flavored wings. Now, I ordered some of those Cheetos boneless wings, along with some Cheetos flavored cheese poppers, and a couple drinks, and some plain old chicken tenders, just to see if they were okay. Now, I started with the drinks because I assumed, hey, it's the drinks, that it's not a big deal, you know. But actually, and this is probably telling, the drinks were by far the best part of the entire meal, no doubt. Now, this first one I drank was a dragon fruit flavored lemonade, and it was, quite frankly, delicious. It was really good. The second one, which I'm showing, is the blue raspberry flavored lemonade. All they had was lemonade. They had blue raspberry, dragon fruit, and another one that I didn't try. Both of them were delicious highlights of the meal because the rest of it was not so good. Alright, now we move on to what I guess you would call the main event. These are the Cheetos flavored or boneless wings. Now, I got 10 of these for $10, so $1 per boneless wing. And when I first took a bite, which is on this video, I kind of liked it. It was a little too buttery, but you can taste the Cheeto, but it tasted more like butter than Cheeto, but there definitely was a hint of Cheeto taste. Which you'd think there would be more, considering the way it looks, but it was more like, hey, here's some buttery-ass chicken with some Cheeto taste. Which is fine, but I gotta say, and it's not really, you know, shown in the video, after about 3 of them, I really started to hate them, and then I ate a 4th one, and I never wanted to see them ever again. That's so, I think it's the kind of thing where it's good for a sample, but not good for a meal. It's frankly quite disgusting after about 4 of them, so I ended up giving them away because I hate other people. Next up, we have the fried Cheetos cheese bites, which are basically like fried cheese curds, except with Cheeto stuff on them. These were a little bit better, I'll be honest, but that's, you know, it's hard to beat just fried cheese. Honestly, though, I think just some fried cheese curds without the Cheeto dust and like the little Cheeto pieces would be better, because again, after a couple of them, I kind of got sick of them. Not like I did with the chicken. The chicken was like, I didn't want to look at it ever again. These, it was like, I'm good. I'm done. They're okay. Better than the chicken. Finally, the last thing I decided to try was the chicken tenders. Now, you might be looking at this image and wondering, are those chicken tenders? And I'd be with you, because as I say in the video, this is supposed to be a 10-piece chicken tender. I paid $9.99 for 10 chicken tenders. And I think it's more like 5 chicken tenders and like 5 chicken nuggets. It's a bit of a ripoff. I'm feeling a bit ripped off. Luckily, I had a promo for Uber Eats, so I got some money off. But even with that, I still feel kind of fucked over. The taste was fine. They're chicken tenders. They're pretty good. I mean, honestly, they were the best food item I got, because the rest of it, as I said, got old quick, and these are just plain chicken tenders, so you really don't have a problem. It's fine. Good for everybody. And that's about my experience with Cosmic Wings. I'll never order it again. It was mostly not good, with some just middle of the road chicken tenders being the highlight, and the lemonade being delicious, but I'll never Uber for just lemonade, so that's never going to happen. So, in conclusion, I would say don't get the Cheetos wings. Thank you.